Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create serial numbers in Excel. We'll cover simple numeric serial numbers, alphanumeric serial numbers, and how to create them both on a blank worksheet and alongside an existing list. Scenario 1. Numeric serial numbers on a blank worksheet. Start with a blank worksheet. If your list is small, type your first number in a cell. Hold down Control and drag the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is the fill handle. It will create sequential numbers. Tip: this method is not ideal for long lists. For example, 100 numbers. Dragging that far is cumbersome. Method 2. Using the Fill Series feature. Enter the first serial number. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, then to the Editing group. Click Fill, then select Series. In the Series dialog box, select Columns. Set Step Value to 1. Set Stop Value to 100. Click OK, and Excel will fill the numbers from 1 to 100. Scenario 2. Alphanumeric serial numbers. Type your first serial number, for example, Employee 1. Drag the fill handle down. Excel will automatically increment the numeric part. Tip: for a large list, say 100 entries, type your first serial number. In the name box, top left corner showing the active cell, type the last cell address where you want the serial numbers, e.g., C101, and press Enter. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus up arrow to select all cells back to the first serial number. Go to Home. Fill Series. Select Columns, and under Type, select Autofill. Click OK. Scenario 3. Using the Sequence function, Excel 365. For numeric serial numbers, equals sequence open bracket, 100, close bracket. This creates numbers 1 to 100 down the column. For alphanumeric serial numbers, concatenate text. Employee and sequence open bracket, 100, close bracket. The ampersand symbol joins the text with the sequence of numbers. Scenario 4. Serial numbers alongside an existing list. Type the first number in the column next to your list. Double-click the fill handle. Excel copies the number down. Click the Autofill Options button that appears and select Fill Series. Scenario 5. Automatic numbering for new entries. Use the sequence function again. For example, if your names are in B3 to B5000, type equals sequence open bracket, counter open bracket, B3 colon, B5000, close bracket, 11 close bracket. Counter counts the number of names in the list. The sequence function automatically numbers all entries. If you add a new employee at the bottom, the numbering updates automatically. And that's it. Multiple ways to create numeric and alphanumeric serial numbers in Excel, whether on a blank sheet or alongside an existing list. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If this was useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.